So you want to buy a body lift, huh? Here are 3 facts before you purchase one. Fact number 1, a body lift gives you more room between your tires and your fender. Okay, so by moving the body up and giving yourself more room between the tire and the fender, you can remove bump stop. This allows your tire to flex further up into your body, meaning that all 4 tires are going to stay on the ground when you come into bigger obstacles. So fact number 2, it allows you to actually raise your drivetrain, meaning your engine and transmission, so that you can actually eliminate this underhang almost completely, raising all this up, effectively giving you a whole lot of lift. So fact number 3, you can run bigger tires without changing your suspension lift, meaning that your center of gravity gets to run nice and low, your clearance underneath gets to run nice and high, and you get to run nice big fatty tires. To recap, you can flex harder, get more ground clearance, and run bigger tires. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love it, hit subscribe down below. Let me know in the comments what you think about body lifts. This has been A Moment with Mark. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.